Hey guys, this is what I ate on my first day of a 4-day cruise. We stayed at a hotel overnight, so we ended up eating what the hotel was serving for breakfast, and I think overall it was a pretty decent meal. I just would not have gotten the muffin again. I'm starting a tradition to get a guy's burger every time I go on a cruise, and this one definitely did not disappoint. The burger was so juicy and the bun was nice and fluffy and buttery. Every Carnival cruise ship has unlimited soft serve ice cream, and of course I had to have some with my lunch, and it was nice and soft and creamy. All these cakes were really good, but my favorite was the funfetti cheesecake, and I never thought I'd like it, but here we are. I decided to try the bread for the first part of my meal, and it was really light and fluffy. I really wish the salad had more vegetables. For the main course, I had a simple chicken meal, and while it wasn't the best thing I've ever eaten, it was still a really good experience. One of my friends told me that I absolutely had to try the chocolate melty cake, so I did, and it's basically a brownie with chocolate pudding in the middle, but it was fantastic.